Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Miraki. I'm going to start a series on the most requested topic, which is video editing. I edit all my videos on phone because that's handy and I can do it anywhere, anytime. And for that I have used many Android applications, but there is one specific application that I like the most, which is InShot. So in this video series, I'm going to explain every single feature of this application one by one in detail. So by the end of this whole series, you will be a pro in this app, inshallah. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Here you can see the icon of InShot. If you're an Android user or an iPhone user, this application is available on both platforms. When you open the app, you can see three options: video, photo and collage. I use this application only for video editing. When you click on video, you can see I have 24 drafts saved right now. So I'm not going to use those. I'm going to make a new video. Right now I'm in my downloads folder and I have this video with me. I'm going to click this video. There's this small icon that is indicating that you can trim the video right now. The total length of this video is 2 minutes 43 seconds. You can see it over here. So I'm going to select only 10 seconds of it. Right? Now you have the video over here. But as you can see, there is this option of trimming over here. So I recommend you to add the full length video and then trim it using this tool. Now we're going to learn how to trim. Click on the trim and you have three options: trim, cut and split. I'm going to tell you about the trim. As you can see on the bar, there are some thumbnails that are telling you what content is in the video clip. You can move your finger left to right to get the idea of the video clip. For example, I want this blue part, but I don't know what is the starting and ending point of it. So I'm going to just roughly estimate it. Maybe the blue part is over here, and I'm going to click on zoom selection. Now you can clearly see from where the blue part is beginning. So I'm going to again roughly select it and then I'm going to zoom selection. Now you can clearly see the ending and beginning of it. So you're going to just select. So this is your trimmed clip. There's one more thing you can do with the trimming. Here you have this option. If you click on it, all the trimming, cutting, splitting, whatever you have done with the video is going to revert back. See? Now we're going to learn about the cutting. Cutting means that you're going to cut your video clip into two parts, but that should be the ending and the beginning. You cannot cut it from anywhere in between. You can select the beginning part, you can select the ending part, and the lengths of these clips can be adjusted. Now I have cut these parts and I'm going to click on the bar and you can clearly see there are two parts over here. Now we're going to learn about splitting. Splitting means that you're going to split your whole video clip into different parts. So I want my video clip in 4 parts. So I'm going to add a multi-split. I'm going to add a point over here and I'm going to add a point over here and click on OK. As you can see, I have 4 parts now. So now let's sum up. Trimming is used to select a specific part from the whole length video. Cutting is used when you want to cut a specific part from your video. For example, a blooper. You want to just erase it, you're going to select the first and the end part and you're going to left the center part. Splitting is used when you split your video into different parts. The video will go into continuity, but you can have the full control on the video. For example, here, I have splitted my video into 4 parts, and I have reduced and increased the music, and I have added different effects on it, and that's how it will look like.